Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to get a PNC virtual wallet, okay? So you have to be an eligible student for you to actually get this, alright? So if I scroll down here, I show you, you can come and click on apply now on their website. And if you are 18 plus, you can apply online or schedule an appointment at a branch. But you know, an adult co-applicant is not required for this one, but you have to be a student. And then here, right, you need to be 14 to 17. You need to have an adult co-applicant. Right? You can also apply online or schedule an appointment at the branch. But if you're under 14, you will have to schedule an appointment at a branch to apply with an adult who is over 18, okay? So come here, either click on apply now or schedule an appointment. So these are some of the details you will need. You'll need your social security number. If you are 18 years or older, you also need a valid U.S. driver's license, your state ID or military ID for identification. And, you know, what you just need to do is go ahead and apply, right, at the branch, or you can also apply online by uploading the necessary documentation. And if you are not a U.S. citizen, who basically does not have a social security number, you can apply in person at a PNC branch and provide these details: a valid passport with a photograph, along with a photocopy of your passport, and of course a second form of ID, which can be a U.S. student visa card. And guys, all you need to do is apply for this, and you will get your PNC virtual wallet. Really that easy and simple. So I hope this guide provided value to you. And if it did, consider smashing that like button, as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you in the next one.